Hi, I am Ishu Bhalla. At the outset, many thanks for watching and liking my previous video, How to Deal with Failure in Career. I have a small request to make. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And in case if I need to be reached for any consultation, my details are given below in the description box. Coming to the topic that I am taking today. Lost the job? Reskill to get back on track is hard hitting, but can be seen in continuation to my previous topic, my previous video, How to Deal with Failure in Career. Last few months have seen many people losing their jobs across sectors, across functions. The job market as such was under huge pressure, and with this coronavirus pandemic it has gone from bad to worse. This is unprecedented crisis that none of us have actually experienced in our lifetimes. Losing job is very painful, both emotionally and economically. It hits you very hard, and more so at an entry to front managerial level, where it is virtually a struggle for the survival, and the numbers are fairly large. I can very well imagine what must be going through in the minds of these young guys who had a certain dream, but that dream is suddenly shattered because of this coronavirus pandemic. The questions they must be asking: why this has happened to me? What do I do now? Where can I find an opening for me? When am I going to start earning again and support my family? The answer to these 4 W's is certainly not an easy task, but then you need to deal with it. It is in your hands only. Your attitude should be, yes, you lost the job, but you have not lost the hope. You have not lost the confidence. You have not lost your passion. You have not lost your hunger. And it is this attitude which will get you back on track quickly. This pandemic has forced us to think and act differently. It has pushed the world deep into digital transformation, and we can see and feel the impact of this on our life and livelihood. And this is where we need to rethink, we need to reinvent ourselves. Reskill is the mantra in this testing time, and one such skill is in the area of digital transformation, to create more options, to create more opportunities for us, not only in the job, but as a freelancer, as an entrepreneur also. And the good thing is, learning some of these skills is certainly not a difficult task. You can start learning those skills sitting at home, online, without even wasting one single day. And this is extremely critical. Why? Because you should not sit idle and go into depression kind of situation. And this reskilling on the digital side can open various options for you, such as one, wellness. Vast category, but then let's talk about activities like yoga, meditation, indoor exercises, acupressure, healing, life lessons. All these activities are going to be in great demand, and mostly routed on digital platforms only. Crash courses are available, and with knowledge on digital side, you have an option to work as a freelancer, to insurance. This is going to see exponential growth now, both for life and medical security, and we all know why. There can't be better time than this to be self-employed as an insurance agent, as an insurance partner, and start selling, start promoting insurance products on social media platform, on digital media platform. Yes, it is not going to be so easy. You need to create your own awareness. You need to create your own visibility. You need to do your own marketing. And this is where the digital skills, your networking is going to help you. E-commerce, big opportunity one must seriously look into. Yes, there could be temporary shocks because of this pandemic, but it is a matter of time. With the new definition of normal life, this is going to bounce back in a big way. So your digital skills, and more importantly, your self-initiative, could open a new window for you to become an entrepreneur. You just need to decide what product you want to sell, how you want to sell, where you want to sell, and you have all types of options available. Affiliate marketing, another interesting line to work as a freelancer. You just need to select which affiliate products you want to promote, you want to sell on commission basis. Build the platform and promote it on social media. Gig economy, This is going to be in great demand for the experts. Any field, data science, data analytics, developer, graphic designer, video making, video editing, chef. You can operate from home, work on project basis, work on task basis, charge on hourly basis. So here is a great opportunity to work as a freelancer. Online tutorials, online coaching. Guys, if some of you were good in your studies, this is one opportunity where you can start from day one. Yes, it is not going to be so easy. You need to build an image for you. You need to create awareness for you. And this is where digital skills are going to help you. You just need to have desktop or laptop and you can start from day one. Last but not the least, digital marketing. Very interesting subject. If you have time and money, must go for 6 to 12 month kind of professional course. We already have been pushed deep into digital transformation, and believe me, companies will be forced to revisit their communication strategies, to revisit their advertising strategies. And this is where digital marketing is going to play a critical role. This can open options for you in the job as a freelancer or even as an entrepreneur too. We have already started experiencing change around us. In fact, some reports suggest we have seen more digital transformation in last few months than we have seen in last 20 years. A technology giant like Microsoft has experienced 2 years of digital transformation in just 2 months' time. And this is coming from none other than the CEO of Microsoft, Mr. Satya Nadella. So time to reinvent. Reskill is the mantra to get back on track quickly. You may have lost the job, but continue to believe in yourself. Your determination, your attitude, your self-confidence is something that is going to take you out from this crisis much stronger and much wiser. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay fit. Namaste.